We're now going to build our item view in base44. We're navigating to the website, signing in, and now what we need to do is go to the option of integration catalog. We select Monday, but before that we like the Monday integration, and we select use this integration. The first thing we need to do is to give it a Monday token, so it can read data from your account. How do we get that? We go to the Monday account, we click on the avatar, and then on developer. Once we open this developer center, we're going to have on the left here, my access token. This is a secret. It gives access to all of the data basically in your account, so don't show it to anyone. We copy it, we go back to base44, we just paste the token here. Now we need to write the prompt itself. I'm usually starting with something really simple. I just want to see the data to make sure that all the connections are working, and then we'll work on the UI. Create a monday.com item view. I want to see all the fields of a single item. If you have an ID in the URL parameters, use it. This will tell him that if it's embedded in Monday, it will show the specific item that I just opened. Otherwise, use this item. Because I want to also see it here in base, I want to give it an item to select, even if it's not inside of Monday. So what I'm going to do is select just one of the items, and I can take the URL. The URL has here the boards and boards ID and pulses, which is an old name for items, and the item ID. I can just copy the whole thing, and I will add it to my prop. Now I'm just going to sit back and let base44 do all the hard work of building the integration to Monday and building our basic card UI. Now our card here is ready. Okay, let's make sure that it works in Monday. For that, we need to do a couple of things. First of all, go here to workspace, and in the app visibility, we need to allow access with no login. Now I can publish the app. I'll copy this URL. Let's go back into Monday, into the developer center, and we're going to create a new app. Let's call it lead demo, save changes. We can add an image and make it pretty, but we'll do it in a minute. Let's build our app feature. This is how we tell Monday to add it as a view inside the system. There are multiple types of views, but we are looking for item view. So we'll create the item view. We don't need any code. We'll just start from scratch. This is our item view. Let's call it lead demo. Save changes. Now we need to give it the URL of the app we just created. So I'm clicking here on new deployment, and in the custom URL section, I'm just pasting the URL of my app. Now we just need to do a couple more things to make sure the app is working. First of all, we need to promote to live. Every time that we will do changes, we'll need to create a new version. And the second thing we need to do is to make sure that the app itself is installed on the account. So we're going to distribute, install app. We're installing the app. Let's go back to the board and make sure that it works. I'm going to open my lid on the item views. I'm going to add a view, explore more views under installed apps. This is the new one that we created, lead demo. I'm just adding it as an item view to the item. And here's the data of Robert. Let's make this one the board default. So this will be the first thing we'll see when we open any lid. And now let's make sure that it's dynamic. Now I'm going to move on to the next lid. And as you can see, those are the details of Steve and Scott. So basically, we are already at a stage where we took our item card and we inserted it into Monday. Now we can just make it more functional and just talk to base and explain what we want to do with it.